distance formula, distance between two coordinates. Let us consider a coordinate plane. This is x-axis, x dash. Vertical line is called y-axis, y dash. So let us consider two points, coordinates x1, y1. This is A, and B is equal to x2, y2. So let us consider two points A and B. The distance between A and B is the coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2 is AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square units. This is the distance between the 2 points. AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So the based on distance formula is, the problems based on distance formula is, first one is collinear, and based on properties of 2D figures. So collinear. What is collinear? Collinear means the points lie on the same line. For example, we have to take any points A, B, C. The points are on same line is called collinear. Then the distance condition is, here AC is equal to AB plus BC. To find AC is equal to AB plus BC, it satisfies this condition. The given points A and B and C are collinear. So if A, comma B, comma C are collinear, then the condition is AC is equal to AB plus BC. So here AC means distance between A and C, here distance between A and B, and distance between the B and C. Next one is properties of 2D figures. So first one is triangle, equilateral triangle. The equilateral triangle. Let us consider equilateral triangle A, B, C. Here three sides are equal. All sides are equal means it is equilateral triangle. AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. It follows this condition. It satisfies this condition. Given triangle is equilateral triangle. Here AB means distance between A and B. BC means distance between B and C, and distance between C and A. See here, AB is equal to BCP is equal to CA means the triangle is called equilateral triangle. Next one is isosceles triangle. So if any triangle two sides are equal, let us consider A, B, C are vertices of triangle. Two sides are equal. AB is equal to AC. Here AB is equal to AC, not equal to BC. Two sides are equal means that is called isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle. Then next one is parallelogram. Here parallelogram means opposite sides are equal. A, B, C, D is a, let us consider ABCD is a parallelogram. Here opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. So here diagonals are bisect each other, means it divided into two equal parts. AO is equal to OC and DO is equal to OB. So here follow this condition, satisfy this condition. The given figure is parallelogram. So parallelogram means opposite sides are equal and diagonals are bisect each other. Here AB means distance between the A and the B. The next one is rhombus. So here let us consider rhombus ABCD. So here rhombus all sides are equal. All sides means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD, and diagonals are bisect each other. Not equal means AC not equal to BD. So Here satisfy the AB is equal to B. All sides are equal and diagonals are not equal means that is called rhombus. Here AB means the distance. We have to use the distance formula. Then next one is quadrilateral, equilateral triangle, isosceles and parallelogram and rhombus. Another one is circle. Let us consider a circle. The fixed point is called center. So if let us take any point on circle, so the distance between the center and any point on the circle is called radius. So here we have to take O and here we have to take A. So OA is called radius of the circle. So listen, all members, we have to prepare the exercise 7.14 based on these properties using the distance formula. Thank you.